Starhive provides a number of different views that you can use to find and modify your data in a way that makes sense for you and your use cases. The list view is the default view for any type in Starhive, but a list, even with filters applied, might not be the best way to find and modify the data you need. Instead, you can create different views. Board view works on a workflow attribute. So in the case of the laptops, it would be the lifecycle status of the laptops. I can rearrange the columns into an order that makes sense. I can then also update the lifecycle by dragging and dropping the laptop object cards between columns. If I drag a laptop into retired, it will update the status workflow attribute to retired. This view is particularly good for tracking tasks and tickets. Starhive has other views like timeline and gallery. These may not be so useful for laptops, but we will take a look at timeline view. We need to select a start and end date to show on the timeline. These can be the purchase and warranty expiration dates. We can then edit the view to show months and quickly see if something is expiring. Now you know how to use views and interact with your data in different ways based on what makes sense for your use cases.